So doing the sauna, cladding's done, I'm just doing the trims. But what I thought I might share is how to measure an internal measurement with a tape measure. So obviously most people have tried this. You put it up at the top and then bend it round and try and guesstimate roughly how it is. But the easiest way, or I find easy, I mark, if you've got the space, 20 centimetres, 200 mil up there, and then all you do is go to the top, come down to your mark, 127, add 20, 147 centimetres, and then we'll cut the trim and it should fit in there nicely. See how that fits. Snug at the bottom. I'm happy with that. Let's nail it. There we go. I know it's not much of a little trick, but it's quite helpful. So hopefully this one's helped you out. Check out my other stuff. I'll see you on the next one.